Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sugiyar Nabila. Now I will explain about technology, media, and learning. The outline of technology, media, and learning, there are five. First is media. So first is learning. Second is media. The third is the role of technology and media learning. The fourth is method, and the last is technology. For the first is learning. Learning is the development of new knowledge, skill, or attitude as an individual interact with information and the environment. The learning environment includes the psycho facilities, the psychological atmosphere, instructional technology, media, and methods. Learning takes place all the time. We can learn everywhere and every time. We learn things by watching TV, uh, walking down the street, surfing the net, conversation with others, and just by observing what goes around us. And in the learning also there are psychological perspective on learning. How to interactors view the role of technology and media in the classroom depends very much on their beliefs about how people learn. And next is there is approach to learning instruction is the arrangement of information and the environment to facilitate learning. This might be done by the learners or the instructor. In learning also there are finding a middle group. This text we recommend an eclectic approach to learning inspired by each of the psychological perspective design have developed powerful framework for instruction. Indeed, successful instructional practice have features that are supported by virtually all the various perspectives. First is active participant, second is practice, third is individual difference, the fourth is feedback, the fifth is realistic context, and the last is social interaction. So there are philosophical perspective on learning. More than a few observed have agreed that the widespread use of instructional technology in the classroom leads to treating students as if they were machines rather than human beings. That is the technology dehumanize both teaching and learning. Next is media. A medium is a mean of communication and source of information derived from the Latin word meaning. Between the term refers to anything that carries information between a source and a receiver. For example, include like television, video, radio, diagram, printer material, computer, and etc. These are considered instructional media when they provide message with an instructional purpose. The purpose of media to facilitate communication and learning. Media and method preferred by training director are often different from those used by teacher. Next, I will explain about the role of technology and media in learning. Technology and media can serve many roles in learning. The instruction may be depends on the presence of a teacher. Even in this situation, media may be heavily used by the teacher. On the other hand, the instruction might not require a teacher. Such student direct learning is often called self-instruction. Next is methods. Traditionally, instructional methods have been described as presentation form, such as lectures and discussion. In this text, we will differentiate between instructional method and instructional media. Methods are the procedure of instructional select to help learners achieve the objective or to internalize the content or message. There are student direct method and teacher direct method. There is exemplified in the often quote definition given by economist John Cannon Galbraith. The systematic application of scientific or other organized knowledge to practice